Is there such thing?
No. Special hobby. These are for the connoisseur. I know we've had this as that kit of the week. Remember when we used to do that?
Yep.
Oh, the week and kit of the week. We had this in. I don't think we had this
Flying
one in.
Pancake. I haven't seen that for years.
No, but we've had a few of these going out today. So I thought, why not? Let's have a quick look inside these kits. Why are they special?
Yep.
With a brand name, Special Hobby, you know, there's got to be something interesting about them.
The Luftwaffe trainer. Luftwaffe?
Luftwaffe.
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 There you go.
Focke-Wulf FW 189B-0 B-1.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
B-1 Kenobi.
Which one do you want to look at first?
Let's go the 72 scale.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Well, you have to tell me these things. I can't just guess.
The Luftwaffe.
Luftwaffe.
Okay, so we've got plastic parts in here.
All one bag.
All one bag, 2 or 3 sprues.
It's a one bagger.
You're getting decals, clear parts, and resin.
Yep. What do you mean resin? Get in there. Oh, I love that noise.
Like cellophane. So you're getting a little bit of resin for, it'll say it in the instructions, I can't really tell. But that is some resin parts there.
What,
You've got
hand
some
cast
decals.
resin?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're old school. Canopies and whatnot.
Graphics, of course.
No.
I only say that, folks, because that's the only one I know.
That's the only brand you know.
That's the only one I know. So as far as I'm concerned, all of these stickers, is that what they're called?
Yeah, sure.
I just like upsetting you.
Yes.
It's like when you call a locomotive a train. No?
And I piss him off.
Get him all upset. What are you looking at there?
Just the instructions to see what you're getting in the cockpit. No, you don't get photo etch in something like this. As you can see, just the resin polyurethane parts, which I believe are for
Polyurethane.
yeah.
Does that make it softer?
Not sure. No, it's still brittle.
Does it come with an engine?
No, you can buy an engine aftermarket if you like. You can buy all these upgrade sets for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that they do very unique kits. That is kind of the point I'm making. And
That was a quick unboxing.
yeah, and we'll do a quick one into this.
What is it?
The Flying Pancake.
What can you tell me about the plane note? Is it a
Well, that one is an interesting frame because it's not the most popular, but the Focke-Wulf 189, the regular one, which was reconnaissance aircraft.
Reconnaissance.
It was like a light reconnaissance aircraft with 2 people in it. Was a more popular frame for that one. And this is the Flying Pancake. It was a test bed for pancakes back in the day.
Was it Dutch?
No, it's American. No Dutch pancakes here. Yes, you're getting quite a lot more.
It looks like the predecessor to like B-52. Yeah?
B-52?
Yeah.
What?
Well, it's flat.
B-52? What? It's not flat.
B-52 bomber. Isn't it like flat? Like a pancake?
No.
No?
B-52's got the really long wings with 8 engines.
Is it?
I don't know which one you're talking
I
about.
don't know.
Maybe you're talking about the Flying Saucer. Flying Sorcery. So you're getting quite a few plastic injected parts in this one.
What are we looking at, Chief?
And more resin.
Is that the instructions?
Yeah.
Simple.
Very simple. Now they are, because they do like limited run kits, they're not the best fitting, but you're not really going to find another model of this really
Flying
anywhere.
pancake.
A Flying Pancake anywhere, really. So this is the only option you got. You got your decals here. You got your clear parts there. I've seen a guy build this. It was pretty spectacular.
What color would you paint yours?
Yellow.
Why?
Just got to paint it yellow.
Don't you ever do anything that's not on box art?
Nah, it's Nell.
Hi, Nell.
Hello.
Hope
Welcome.
you're feeling better now.
Hope you're feeling way better. Cuddling the cats, having a tea and a coffee, and working from home. We've got the nose pieces here for the aircraft.
Nose pieces.
More resin.
It's a Kardashian. No?
Nose job.
Nose jobs.
Got to do the nose job. Getting a bit of resin in there.
There's actually a bit of detail in the surface areas.
You should see this. This is the size of the body that you're getting. And it's got, feel that, it's like...
It's rough. I can feel it here. It's rough.
I just sanded my hands all over it.
Why is it? Pube.
That's a long one. I don't know where that came from.
Tony.
Tony,
Clearly.
of course.
Clearly.
No, it's from the factory in Czech. Really, really large. You got some nice ribbed surfacing.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
Ribbed, that's right. Durex.
Was it paper mache displaying?
Yeah, it was a canvas.
Canvas?
What do you want?
Someone say ribbed?
No,
Yes.
oh my god. Yes, we did. Little fiend. And then you've got all of your cockpit detail and propellers here on these sprues. So yeah, you're getting quite a little bit in this kit. Some nice sidewall detail. But I was trying to find a kit that had photo etch in it. They usually come with like quite a lot of photo etch and everything. But the guy must have bought them all today.
And this has also got resin parts.
Yes, it does have resin parts. That's correct.
And sounds like you're getting ready for Model Expo 2026.
You never know. As soon as it's done, you're on to the next one.
Are you?
Yeah, yeah. What am I building, Brett?
And still rushing to F14 Tomcat.
Yes, that one's at
Is
home.
that called a Tomcat?
It is called a Tomcat. The
And a
F14.
F35 Banana.
Is that the alphanumeric code for B?
Yes.
Banana.
Banana.
Bozo. Bozo the banana.
That's right.
In the Bahamas. Beautiful. Betty. Butter. Beating. Bobs.